In this video, I'll show you a quick, easy thing you can do to improve the taste of your water for your under-the-sink RO system. Typically, you have a 3-stage pre-filter on the RO system, then you have your RO membrane, and then a granule carbon filter. And after that, it goes into your faucet. Step 1. What you need is to get one of these alkaline filters. You can pick one up for about $19 on Amazon. I've been using this one for a few years now, and I like the taste of my water. And you only need to replace these about every 6 months. Typically, the water flows from the granule carbon filter into the faucet, but instead, we'll plumb it in such a way that it's going to go through the granule filter, then through this alkaline filter, and then into the faucet. The filter comes with these push-in lock fittings that you can use. You just push them in, and then insert the blue clip, and do this on both sides. Step 2. I connected the outlet of the carbon filter into the inlet of the alkaline filter with a short piece of tubing. Make sure you follow the flow arrows if you don't know which one's the inlet, which one's the outlet. Also make sure to follow the regular procedure as if you were removing a carbon filter for a replacement, as all those steps still apply. If you don't know how to replace a carbon filter, check out this video that I have. I'll have it in links in the description and in the cards as well. As I mentioned before, the water will flow through the carbon filter, then through the alkaline filter, and into this tube, which goes into the faucet. So I plug that in, and we're good to go. Just make sure to follow all the typical procedure as if you just replaced your filter. Check out this video next right here.